Hola! Today we're bringing you some very interesting and funny expressions in Spanish. So let's get started. The first one. No ver tres en un burro, which literally means you can't see three people on a donkey, which is be as blind as a bat. For example, ese hombre no ve tres en un burro. Está medio ciego. That man is as blind as a bat. He can't see anything. The second one, disfrutar como un enano, which literally is to enjoy yourself like a dwarf, like a little one. Perhaps it's about children. For example, de vacaciones yo disfruto como un enano. When I'm on holiday, I have a whale of a time. I have a ball. The third one, saber más que los ratones colorados. Literally, to know more than red mice, which means to be as cunning as a fox. For example, ese niño parece inocente, pero sabe más que los ratones colorados. That kid looks naive, but he's as cunning as a fox. Number 4. Me importa un pimiento. Literally, I don't give a pepper, which means I don't give a hoot, I don't care. Example, me importa un pimiento lo que digan los demás. I don't care about what other people say. Number 5. Me tienes hasta el moño. Literally, you reached my bun, the top of my head, which means this is the last straw. I've had enough. Example, estoy cansado de esperar. Me tienes hasta el moño. I'm tired of waiting. This is the end of my tether. Number 6. Feliz como una lombriz. Literally, as happy as an earthworm, which is I'm as happy as a clam. For example, qué buena noticia. Estoy feliz como una lombriz. What great news. I'm as happy as a clam. I'm over the moon. And lastly, number 7, estar como una cabra. Literally, to be like a goat, which means to be mad, to be as mad as a hornet, to be crazy. Example, mi amigo está como una cabra, va a hacer puenting con 70 años. My friend is completely crazy. He's going bungee jumping at 70 years old. So we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please press like, subscribe, and leave in the comments what you want for the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Adios.